5 houseplants that can help improve your sleep quality by purify the air, releasing oxygen, and creating a calming environment. 1. Lavender Lavandula. Benefits. Known for its relaxing scent, lavender helps reduce stress, anxiety, and heart rate, promoting deeper sleep. Care tips. Needs bright, indirect sunlight and well-draining soil. Water sparingly, as it prefers dry conditions. Best placement. Near your bed or bedroom window for the calming aroma to help you fall asleep faster. 2. Snake Plant Sansevieria. Benefits. Releases oxygen at night while filtering toxins like benzene non-formaldehyde, improving air quality. Care tips. Thrives in low light and requires minimal watering once every 2 to 3 weeks. Extremely low maintenance. Best placement. Bedroom corner or near your bedside for clean air all night long. 3. Aloe Vera. Benefits. Emits oxygen at night, helping with better breathing and deeper sleep. It also purifies the air by removing toxins. Care tips. Loves bright, indirect sunlight and only needs water every 2 to 3 weeks. Overwatering can cause root rot. Best placement. Near a window where it gets indirect sunlight during the day. 4. Jasmine Jasminum. Benefits. Its natural fragrance reduces anxiety and promotes relaxation, leading to deeper sleep and improved mood. Care tips. Prefers bright, indirect light and moist, well-draining soil. Regular watering is needed but avoid soggy soil. Best placement. On a bedside table or near a window where the fragrance can spread throughout the room. 5. Peace Lily Spathiphyllum. Benefits. Increases humidity, which helps prevent dry air that can cause sleep disturbances. It also removes airborne toxins. Care tips. Needs low to moderate light and should be watered about once a week. Keeps soil slightly moist. Best placement. Near your bed or in a shaded area of your bedroom to improve air quality and humidity levels. Bonus tip. Combine multiple plants to enhance their sleep benefits. For example, a snake plant plus lavender combo gives you both air purification and calming aromatherapy. Would you like suggestions for specific sleep issues, like insomnia or stress relief?